Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download TREZOR application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download TREZOR application, go and tap open your web browser. In the search box, type in TREZOR Wallet APK and make your search. From the search result, tap on first link that you see, which will take you to apkcombo.com. Tap on the download APK button and on the next page, tap on OK from the pop-up. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the install button to install the application on your device. After you're done with the installation, tap on the open button and you have successfully downloaded TREZOR application on your Android device. Tap on Connect Now, enter your backup phrases and log in. That is how you can easily download TREZOR app on your Android device. TREZOR is a hardware wallet that allows users to receive, send, buy and exchange cryptocurrencies under a protected, imprintable environment. It is one of the easiest and most secure ways users can interact with their cryptocurrencies without fear of exposure to anyone. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.